welcome back to another video, you guys. I was really excited to learn something in this video, a different method of applying the shadow. Let me know what you guys think, because I really think this is beautiful. I really think it's so vibrant. It's definitely low-key creepy from far away, but once I show you guys the close-ups, you know, you'll be able to appreciate like the art of it. I would never like wear this out just because it's so dark. I would probably like maybe leave off the under eye, and I don't know, it's just really dark, really dark. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, I just set down some Shape Tape on my eyes and ready. I'm going to take the navy blue and the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Palette, and I'm just going to start packing on that color in the crease. I'm going to take a Slim Miss Glam shader brush and start packing on the color. And I'm starting with the darkest color first. That's nice. Look how nice that is. And then I'm going to just be using patting motions because my girl, Kahina, and I will link her channel because she's incredible and she's also like the sweetest thing ever and she's hilarious. Wow, look how amazing and how deep this color is. I'm so happy I chose the right brush. Praise the Lord, because I never choose the right brush to pack color. I always get it right when I pick this brush though, so I'm really happy I did that. What was I saying? Oh, Kahina. I hope I'm saying her name right, girl. Hope I'm saying it right. When she does her makeup, she just pats on the color, and that's so strange to me because I literally I'm like windshield wiper queen, cause that's all I've ever done. But I am willing to learn a new way, and I'm gonna try and do that. I'm gonna try and pat my color in. Every time I watch makeup artists, they always use like a fluffy blending brush to pat on the color. I just don't know if that's going to work out here. Maybe we should just try it. At least it always looks like a blending brush. I don't know what it is. Let's try this one. This is an M433. And I'm going to go into kind of like a dark burnt red. I think that's what I want to do. I'm honestly not sure like what exactly I'm going to do. So, you know, we're in this ride together. Something's showing up. So the key is when you want to layer colors like this and have them both show up in your blending. It drives me nuts because I have to put the other color on top of another color, and that makes me crazy, but like that's what you gotta do to get your second color to show up right where you want it, because you don't want like two huge strokes of different colors. You just want it barely blending. Well, I do anyway. I feel so awkward with my head like this, sorry. Is this working? I don't know. See, that's what I love like about my channel is like we learn together here. By the time I am really good, I'll probably have a bigger following and everyone will think like I just know this stuff, but these are our learning days, honey. If y'all are here, you're gonna be ride or dies one day, okay? Love ya. Okay. So I think we did that. Although I don't know how like dense it is. I'm not using this brush again because I didn't like it. It was pokey. Let's just take our Slimmest Glam brush again. I should get another one of these. Now I'm going to take the orangiest color in the matte palette, Ultimate Matte Palette, like that. Like the top part, because you know I'm just going to be like stamping it above this red. Should probably shake it off a little. I have a feeling it's going to cover up the red. Yeah, it is. Okay, whatever. Ooh, and I kind of want to take the shadow like really high, because I've been seeing people do that and it's like really pretty. It's funny because I just like trained myself to not do that, but now I keep seeing really beautiful looks of people doing it and I'm like, argh. At least I know now like I can control it, because before I couldn't. I just kept taking my eyeshadow that high and it was so annoying. With this palette you barely have to work. I mean, do you guys see this? I haven't even blended, and oh, I should give you a close-up. Now I'm going to use a yellow from the BH Cosmetics. Why did I even say their name? You guys know that's literally all I use. Brazil palette, that's what I meant to say. I'm using the brightest yellow from that palette, and I'm just going to stamp that right above the orange and on top of the orange, basically. And I'm trying not to go into my brow with this color, but you know, it may happen, so we're going to live with it. Okay, now I'm going to go back in that red color, and I'm basically going to do this all over again and sort of try to blend it a little. For some reason, I've seen people stamp the colors on, but I don't know, and I haven't seen what they do after this point. Like, did they go back and blend? I don't even remember. And I want to zoom you guys in so you can just see. Crazy how it's just starting to blend itself. When was I able to do this? I'm tripping. Did you guys see? You literally saw me do it, okay? You saw me do it, and I'm amazed. I'm like, this didn't even take any work. Like, y'all see me, all I was doing was tapping it and just placing it. It wasn't even that hard, like, for real. It's crazy. Now, I want to add this really pretty shimmer that I got today. It's just a shimmery, like, blue. I seen Mitchell do this look not too long ago, and I wanted to recreate it. So this is basically inspired by that, because once I seen it, I was like, I want to do a look like that. And don't get me wrong, there are millions, I'm sure thousands of looks that literally look just like this on Instagram. So yeah, so I had to get up and go get my setting spray, because we are going to use a synthetic brush like this, and I'm just going to dip in my shimmer and then spray it, and then we're going to lay it down on this white part, and then I'm just going to kind of try and blend it. I'm not really sure exactly, but that's my plan. Literally, I'm tripping. Like, look at this. It looks and reminds me of, like, you know, like in the movies, there's like an ocean and then you're underwater and then all of a sudden there's like a light that shines. You know what I'm talking about? That's what this reminds me of, and I'm just... So, let me go finish this other eye and I'll pop right back in. We are going to do the under eye. So here is the final look, you guys. I am literally so proud of myself. I hope you guys learned something in the midst of me like having an like epiphany that you can stamp on eyeshadow and it actually blend itself. Like, this was like mind-blowing to me, and I discovered it today, and I'm so happy I did, because now I get to share it with you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
I just set down some tape shape. Is that right?